Hey, campers! Today, let's learn about the word campsite and what it means when you're out in nature. A campsite is the specific area where you set up your camp. It's your temporary home in the great outdoors. First, find a flat, clear spot. This is where you'll set up your tent and other camping gear. Your campsite includes everything in this area: your tent, campfire, and where you'll keep your supplies. Campsites can look different depending on where you are and what you need. Some have just a tent, while others might have a camper or RV. Many campsites also have extra features like picnic tables, fire pits, and places to hang lanterns. So remember, a campsite is the specific area where you set up your camp. It's your little spot in nature to enjoy and explore. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more camping tips. Happy camping!